In this video, I'm just going to show you how to delete your Twitch account, and if this does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Welcome to the Digital Tutor channel. I am the Digital Tutor, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. As I say, if this does help you out today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get stuck in. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a new browser and come across to twitch.tv. So there is the option to disable your account, which, to be honest, it's not actually permanently deleting your account. Disabling basically means you deactivate your account and you can reactivate it at any point. So this I do if you want a break. I have actually been looking, but I can't find where to delete your account. But luckily I've tried a couple of things and I've actually found a way to do it. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your Twitch account, come across to twitch.tv, and then you want to type the following into the address bar up here, which is obviously www.twitch.tv. Then you want to put a / and then you want to put user, then another /, and then you want to put delete, and then a hyphen, and then put account. So this is the only way I've found how to do it so far. For some reason, I don't know why, but I've looked on the settings. I can't find where to actually delete your account, only to disable. So if you follow along and just basically come across to this address, what's going to happen, it's going to take you to a page which looks like this. And it's going to say, are you sure you'd like to delete your Twitch account? This will permanently erase all of your content and personal information. So, as I say, this is not just disabling, this is permanently deleting your account. So, what you're going to want to do is, if you want to, is basically put a reason in the box for why you're deleting your account. Nothing will happen with it, it's purely feedback for Twitch. But that is completely optional. And what you're going to want to then do is go ahead and click this purple delete account button down here. At this point, it might ask you for your password, it might not, to basically verify your account. And then once that's gone through, you're going to get a message which says your account has been deleted. If you did register and sign up and use an email address, you're probably going to get an email from Twitch as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if that did help you out, please leave a like and drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.